Some cars are more than just metal and wheels. They define heroes, create legends, and make movies unforgettable. These 50 classic cars shaped Hollywood history. 1. DeLorean DMC-12, Back to the Future 1985. Features: famous for its gull-wing doors and stainless steel body. Fact: the time machine version used a flux capacitor for time travel. This is a very iconic classic car in the 80s in the movie Back to the Future. 2. Batmobile, Batman 1966, 1989, etc. Features: various models, from a modified Lincoln Futura to a tumbler-style tank. Fact: the 1966 Batmobile was based on the Lincoln Futura concept car. 3. Aston Martin DB5 Goldfinger 1964, James Bond. Features: ejector seat, machine guns, bulletproof shield. Fact: the DB5 became the most famous Bond car and appeared in multiple movies. 4. Dodge Charger RT, the Fast and the Furious 2001. Features: supercharged V8, wheelie capability. Fact: Vin Diesel's character calls it his father's car, symbolizing family heritage. 5. Ford Mustang GT 390, Bullet 1968. Features: Highland green color, 390 cubic inch V8. Fact: the car chase through San Francisco is one of the greatest in film history. 6. Mini Cooper, the Italian Job 1969 and 2003. Features: compact size, agile handling. Fact: the original film used 3 Mini Coopers for the famous gold heist scene. 7. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, Smokey and the Bandit 1977. Features: black and gold color scheme, T-top roof. Fact: sales of the Trans Am skyrocketed after the movie's success. 8. Volkswagen Beetle, Herbie, the Love Bug 1968. Features: white with racing stripes, number 53. Fact: Herbie had a mind of its own, racing and performing stunts. 9. Ford Gran Torino, Starsky, and Hutch 197579. Features: red with a white stripe, nicknamed the Striped Tomato. Fact: the real car had a 351 Windsor V8 under the hood. 10. Ecto 1 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor, Ghostbusters 1984. Features: hearse ambulance hybrid, ghost-catching equipment. Fact: it was an actual retired ambulance before being modified for the movie. 11. Dodge Challenger RT, Vanishing Point 1971. Features: white paint for 126 Hemi engine. Fact: the film inspired countless car chase scenes in later movies. 12. Chevrolet Camaro Z8 Transformers 2007. Features: yellow with black stripes, becomes Bumblebee. Fact: the 1977 Camaro was upgraded to a 2006 Camaro concept in the film. 13. Lotus Esprit S1, The Spy Who Loved Me 1977, James Bond. Features: submarine conversion, missile launchers. Fact: nicknamed Wet Nelly, it could operate underwater. 14. Chevrolet Chevelle SS 1970, Fast and Furious 2009. Features: big block V8, muscle car legend. Fact: Dom drove it in the dramatic end chase scene. 15. Ferrari 250 GT California Spider, Ferris Bueller's Day Off 1986. Features: sleek red design, high value. Fact: the car in the movie was actually a replica. Real versions are worth millions. 16. Jeep Wrangler, Jurassic Park 1993. Features: red and gray color scheme, rugged off-road ability. Fact: used as a park vehicle to navigate Isla Nublar. 17. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Mako Shark, Corvette Summer 1978. Features: custom built with exaggerated styling. Fact: one-of-a-kind build with a unique front-end design. 18. Ford Falcon XB GT Mad Max 1979. Features: supercharger, modified post-apocalyptic design. Fact: known as the Pursuit Special, it became a symbol of the franchise. 19. Plymouth Fury, Christine 1983. Features: blood red paint, killer instincts. Fact: the car was portrayed as possessed, fixing itself when damaged. 20. Chevrolet Monte Carlo, Drive 2011. Features: simple but powerful, a true getaway car. Fact: the movie's intro scene is one of the best modern chase sequences.